Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about the way that we can merge or mosaic two different digital elevation models into a single uh, digital elevation model or raster file. Okay, I've downloaded these two digital elevation models. As you can see, these are right now separate files in separate layers in content pane. And in order to mosaic these two digital elevation model, first I'm gonna open Toolbox, Geoprocessing Toolbox from Analysis tab, and then search for Mosaic data management tools, and then I select all the layers that I have in my contents to merge them. So right now I only have two TIFF files or raster files, so I select these two, and then the target raster file could be any empty raster file. So we need to create a raster file before we go to the Mosaic tools. But there is also another tools that is called Mosaic to new raster. So I'm going to use this one. Select them number 1 and them number 2, and then click on the icon over here to choose the location that we are going to create the new dem file. So I'm gonna choose lab 1 folder, and then I'm gonna call it Mosaic, and you can choose the coordinate system from current map, which is the coordinate system of the map in content layer, or any of these two. So I'm gonna use NAD83 for the digital elevation model, for new digital elevation model. And then over here we can choose the pixel type. So I'm gonna put it on 1 bit, and cell size, which we can check the cell size in properties of digital elevation model. Over here in source, we can find raster information. So as you can see, we have cell size 20. So I'm gonna put it 20. Number of bands 1. Take operator, just keep it as a default, and gonna choose the first layer, the first digital elevation model as the color map mode, and then we run the process. Okay, if I deactivate these two previous digital elevation model, you can see right now we have a single file, single layer for these two digital elevation models. The next step would be clipping or extracting an area of this mosaic layer. So in order to extract the data, I'm going to search extract by mask, because we need to create a mask to extract data. And then here I choose mosaic, and over here I'm going to draw a polygon. I'm going to say from here to here, and then right click, finish. And here is the name for output, and then run the process. Okay, and if I deactivate the mosaic file, you would see here is the extracted layer. We don't need the first one. This is just a mask. We can simply remove the first layer and keep the second layer. Yeah, and then the next step in the lab instruction is to the next step would be determine the minimum, maximum, and mean elevation of the layer. So if you right click on the layer and go to symbology, you over here you can see the type of symbology. You can change it. You can try to see what will happen if you choose, for example, discrete one. But I'm going to keep it as default, and then click on histogram here, and then go to statistic. You can find the minimum, maximum, and mean value of the elevation, and also the standard deviation. And yeah, that's it. I think generating a contour interval is straightforward. For the contour lines, you can use either 3D tools or special analyst tools. Just choose the extracted one, and then here is the name of the output, and the contour interval can be, I think in the lab instruction, it's 20 meter. I'm not sure, but you can check it from lab instruction. I'm gonna put it 10 and run the process. Oh, yeah, here is contour lines of the digital elevation model. And then after that, you have to add a new map from insert, new global scene, and then import your contour line files into the 3D model, and then take a screenshot and put it in your portfolio. Yeah, that's it.